Hi, my name is Scott Kelly. This is my icebreaker video to explain why at this point in my life I've decided to pursue my master's degree. Mostly I think it has to do with my age. I'm 52. Um, I think I just really have grown up and matured through what I've been through with being an alcoholic for 30 years and going through recovery, being around an autistic child, raised an autistic child. Um, my ex-partner, very best friend right now, has had MS, so I've changed my whole focus to just growing up and wanting to help others. I think before I was too immature to really understand and realize a lot of society and life in general. Now again being my age and my experience that I've gained through so far in my life, I think I could apply that to helping others to some extent. Um, and I just understand myself a little bit better, what I can actually take on, what I can accomplish. I'm very goal orientated, which I never was. So, the clients I work for think because my age, school is a midlife crisis. Maybe that is part of my life cycle since I stopped drinking and replaced it with school. But I think in general, it's just overall I've matured and have grown up and um, just at this phase where, um, I mean, I'm serious, but I'm not. But then school's number one. It's hard to explain, but um, I just chalk it up to I've grown up a lot and ready to take on the challenge.